Hello, I'm James from Crayola. Welcome to Creativity Tips. Today's session is on peaceful pinwheels. The International Day of Peace is observed each year on September 21st. Artists have a tradition of promoting peace and diplomacy through symbols, murals, and art installations. Millions of students around the globe fill their school lawns with pinwheels to promote and advocate for peace. For this activity, you will create a peaceful pinwheel. First, sketch symbols, images, and words that represent peace. Color with marker when finished. Ready for a creativity tip? Flatten and hole punch the straw and put to the side. Grab your paper and draw a line to opposite corners. Measure 3 inches from each corner and place a dot on the line. Cut along each line and stop at each dot. Hole punch every other corner and fold to the center. Place the brad through the holes on the paper and the straw. Parents and teachers, follow Crayola Education on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more colorful, creative content. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today, and stay colorful with creativity tips.